know the feeling when your mama asking you to help with the bills. But you can't help it for real. But you still give what you give. I got partners locked up doing big. Some doing life, it's gon' got a few years. Can't go to visit, it hurts your to see 'em. I do all I can till they free 'em.
In the streets need me.
It's lit.
By the way, I was walking through this yard and I'm looking at these plastic tanks. So this is an example of what you don't want. See how big those holes are? This one has 2 in it. This one has like 3 holes in it. The one tank I got from the other yard, way smaller, like dime size or less holes. You can patch that, but I think mine is a lot easier than trying to fill something this big. That's a big hole. Like the other one, I can't even put my finger through. And then when I was walking, I also seen this Cadillac 84. You can see I had a little rust issue going on, a little bubbling. I mean, it wasn't too bad. A little damage over there. They wanted $1,800 for it. So I'm trying to put a little gold on top of it. Because everything else chrome. That was a nice lock. R.I.P. Man, the thing about big yards, you always see something good. So we just left that Gran Torino, and literally right across from it, I see this. And if you see my video, well, you would have seen it today. But I pulled it from the Caprice. But this is another car you can get it from. This is actually 94 Buick Roadmaster. And this is a lot of box Chevy guys like to get the seats from. Some nice seats, very comfy. It's kind of molded to your back and your body. The front seat's damaged right there. It's ripped and torn. Someone took the passenger side. But that's not that's not why I got excited for it. So right now I got 2 tanks. I got a one get one, and then I got one damaged one. So, oh, this is a good thing about concrete yards. Ain't that muddy. But as you can see, it's the same tank. And this one, they put 2 holes in it. But it has the heat shield, has the filler neck. I can easily get to the straps. Like I need the heat shield. I need the heat shield there. So this is actually a lot easier to get to than what I was trying to do the other day. So if you look into here, that's fixable, but it's a big hole. And then over there, you got another big hole. Sorry for the wind, but this is probably the easiest tank I've seen. As far as getting it out. But I got 2 tanks. I'll need a 3rd one. But this would be a nice one to get. I might change my mind. We'll see. Okay, the wind calmed down a little bit. This is actually 94. I don't know why I said 98 or 99. But 94 Roadmaster. I think it's only like 2 or 3 years you can get tank from. So just do your research and find the best thing for you. But this is a possibility. I have 2 tanks right now. I only have 2 engines. So I really don't need a third. I might just get one for backup, or just test patching and then do the other one. I don't know. But yeah, 94 Roadmaster. No option for a fuel injected tank for your LS swap. So I can't let this Roadmaster go just yet. I was over here by the tank and I didn't even look at the rear end. And you get a 10 bolt. I think it's a posi.
Nope.
Rear end on this thing. Only problem is I can't spin the wheels to make sure. I'll try looking at the codes on the car to see if it is. But let me see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Definitely 10 bolts. Yeah, so we may or may not get that one. I didn't come here looking for a rear end, but that's a junkyard. So yeah, the Roadmaster is not a posi. It is a 10 bolt, but that's not the one we want. I'll try and see what else is out here. We got that 90 Caprice. If I really wanted to, I could still get that Roadmaster gas tank, since it's easy to get to. Get those straps, get the heat shield, because I don't have any heat shield yet. That's the Torino. I think this is like the Ford section right here. But yeah, I didn't really come for anything today. Mainly I wanted to see if that 77 Caprice was still here. I would have took those lights out, but it's already in the crusher. And I already have a set of 77 to 79 taillights already. That's in good condition. I just wanted a second pair, just in case. So next time I know just to grab it. But like I said, I don't need it. But we are going to look at the Chevy trucks way over there in the corner. And I'm actually sweating today. It's like friggin' 60 degrees. And I got a jacket on with long sleeves and I'm dying. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. I mean, even the sun came out. It's crazy. It's your boy Loco. If I see anything else, I'll turn you back on.